Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French flan, a delightful and classic dessert. This elegant treat features a rich, creamy custard set over a glistening layer of golden caramel. You'll find that the ingredients are quite simple, typically including eggs, milk, sugar, and a touch of vanilla for flavor. The process involves a few key steps, from preparing the caramel to baking the custard gently in a water bath, ensuring a perfectly smooth and irresistible result. Our journey begins with the essential caramel base, which adds a beautiful sweetness and depth of flavor. To make it, combine about 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir, until it transforms into a rich, deep amber hue. Once ready, carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking dish or individual ramekins, swirling quickly to coat the bottom before it cools and hardens. Next, we create the heart of our flan, the silky, smooth custard. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until they are just combined. Separately, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract until it's steaming but not boiling. Gradually pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth consistency. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Place your caramel-lined dish into a larger baking pan, then carefully pour the strained custard over the caramel. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of your flan dish. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely. Then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before inverting and serving your beautiful French flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.